Hey, what's up everybody? Sammy here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Lenovo Legion Y90 gaming phone. This is a crazy gaming phone. Why? Let's take a closer look. Start with the design. On the front, the Y90 sports a 6.92-inch 1080p AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate. Moving to the back, man, just a mere look at the back, you know this is a Lenovo Legion phone, isn't it? The RGB-backed glass module houses the 64-megapixel main plus 30-megapixel telephoto lens and 2 fans. It weighs more than 250 grams. Though it's thinner than its predecessor, it looks thicker than most other phones because of the massive built-in battery and heat dissipation structure. It has 2 Type-C ports, one at the bottom, the other lies at the middle frame. Thus, you can charge while gaming, and the cable won't interfere with your comfort whatsoever. All designs are made for the sake of gaming, isn't it? But you may wonder, how is the heat dissipation? Well, the Y90 is one of very few phones to add fans to the comprehensive thermal management system. Lenovo claims that the phone devotes 68,849 square meters of internal surface area to thermal management in all. It will work to keep a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC cool in each unit of the phone. Sounds badass. Let's just test it to see if it's really that good. First, aid the ginseng impact. We'll turn on the beast mode, set the graphics to high and the FPS to 60. After 10 minutes, the average FPS is 57. Then we'll continue to play for another 30 minutes. It maintained at 58 FPS, and we see the overall FPS report is almost a straight line. That means it's quite stable even for heavy games like Ginseng Impact. But the temperature reached as high as 45.9 degrees Celsius. We don't suggest you play Ginseng Impact in high graphics for a long time, though the phone may be able to bear the high temperature. Not your hands. Just like the Red Magic 7, it offers 2 shoulder keys so you can map them to different gestures while you're gaming. Just a single touch to trigger 2 different actions, and you will always be faster than your enemy. For the battery, we charge from 10% to 50% in just 7 minutes, from 10% to 90% in just 23 minutes. That's fast, considering the battery capacity is 5,600 mAh. For me, this phone, every detail is made for heavy gamers. Are you a heavy gamer or a lousy gamer like me? Will you consider this phone? Please let me know in the comments section. Special thanks to my partner Eva for providing the footage. Please subscribe to her channel and make at least 20K. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one. So, Poco style.